Hey guys, Mr. Wahido here back on another video. If you watched my last video, you would have seen we did some tints and it wasn't dark enough, so we're going to remove it now. And we're teaching you how to remove tint. So this has a curing time of 24 hours, so it should be able to peel off straight away. Well, not peel off, it'll be a bit hard, but it should be easy to get off.
Educational purposes, that's what it was.
That's what it was, yeah.
That's the word that was.
We've learnt as well, go for the darkest you can find. Because that is not dark. It's dark, but it's not dark enough. So we're going to make this darker. I've ordered some tints already. Same person from the same company. I've told them please make sure it's not creased, because there was cuts in it and stuff, which made it a lot harder for us. We had to do a lot more work. Okay, my alarm's going off. Alright, so we're going to teach you how to do it now. So what you need is heat. Alright, so what you want to first do is heat it up around the corners, so you can just pull it off. Go on then.
Oh, now! Oh, sorry.
Inshallah. Okay, so it's easy as that, because it's not been 24 hours, it's not stuck down fully. We're just going to leave a sticky residue on the, what you call it, the headlight, so we'll have to clean that up later. Yeah, it just simply peels off like that. Sticky in it.
Yep.
Pull that. It's hard, isn't it? Put more heater on it.
Fucking bitch.
You want to wet it?
Nah, I don't.
You can also wet it if it's very sticky, if you left it for too long. So that's 5 pound down the drain, but it's not that bad. It's only a fiver, but we bought another one for a fiver. We've actually bought 2, so we can do the reflectors as well, and these reflectors and the third brake light. You want to yank it? Okay, now we're getting that red shine again. Go on. Oh my god, that is hard.
Hard, isn't it?
Okay, now that looks nice though. How it's shining.
Ta-da.
Fuck
Hey,
you, fuck you.
It's literally like his ear.
Nothing happened.
Touched, I tell you.
It's just sticking it.
Yeah, exactly.
Dirty. Alright, so now this one's a bit harder because it's been sat there for about an hour while we were working on that one, or half an hour, 45 minutes. So you want to heat it up a lot and then find the corner where you can pull it off from.
Oh, by the way, it might help if you have long nails, so I suggest not cutting your nails.
Yeah, don't cut your nails for about a month and then keep it.
Hey, it hasn't been a month. It's been like, I don't know.
No, for these, isn't it?
Oh, right, okay.
Or find one of your sisters to help you.
Or put on fake nails for a day.
Okay,
No.
okay. That's a good idea. Alright, there you go. Easy as that. It's just pulling off now. So what I'm going to do is just going to get darker tints and go for it again. But this time we're going to do more soap and water. It makes it a lot easier. Which means we're also going to have to clean it all up again. Nice. Okay, back to normal now. We're just going to wipe it down and we should be right. Okay then, you nearly killed her, but okay. I guess thank you for watching. If you've not checked out the last video, you'll see how dark it goes. I'll add it into that video, so go check it out.
Obviously, follow me on my socials, Larry.hack3.
Inshallah, brothers. Inshallah.
Snapchat. There it goes.
Yeah, that's right.